Welcome to iCloud EMS. Teachers' role in the 21st century has become more complex in the present changing world. The ability to produce gains on student achievement scores, taking account of a baseline measure of students' prior attainment and other characteristics of student intake. The teaching effectiveness is identified in relation to students' progress measured by later attainment. Generally, effective teaching plans carefully, use appropriate materials, communicates goals to students, maintains a brisk pace, assess student work regularly, and use a variety of teaching strategies. Let's identify the challenges faced by the teachers in enhancing their teaching effectiveness and getting the desired outcomes, along with the solutions and assistance provided by iCloud EMS for an effective teaching and learning process. Creation of a course file for effective teaching encompassing all the necessary information like vision, mission, program outcomes, course overview, course outcomes, list of modules and outcomes, list of lectures and outcomes, important questions to be solved, etc. Unified web-based education management system like iCloud EMS focuses on the ability of teachers to create an effective course file before the commencement of classes so that the outcomes can be mapped with the set targets. Moreover, it also helps the teachers to automate marking, digitally issue tests, and track students' progress with reporting tools and analytics to make the education landscape a more accommodating and innovative industry that puts students first. Designing and developing course material to be shared with the students like PPTs, videos, notes, references, and reading sources for effective teaching. iCloud EMS's OBE LMS and online class management system enable teachers to tap into the realm of constant learning by embracing the real-world application of theory through multimedia, video, chat, and interactivity. Educators can effectively harness the power of everyday technology to bring educational theories into the classroom, like ability to track the submission of digital assignments and reuse or reconstruct a course curriculum using new course templates. Innovating and enhancing effective teaching strategies or activities for clarity, inspiration, motivation, expression, task orientation, flip teaching, and active interaction. iCloud EMS offers its product named OBE Learning Management System and Online Class Management System, which allow teachers to send notes to the class, list lesson dates, talk about online courses and lessons, upload assignments, and have students turn in their work. They help all the teachers who require in teaching the freedom to set up their classroom in an organized way and motivating students to have discussions, participation in the class activities, and go for self-motivation to attend online classes regularly for their holistic development. Designing and setting of question papers and other periodic assignments to check the proficiency and understanding of the students. The results of the students will be deciding factor to analyze the effective teaching of the teachers. iCloud EMS with its product Online Examination Management module can help in selecting questions and setting up a paper in only a few minutes. The test can be uploaded according to students' ID numbers and made available for them during the desired examination time frame. Answers can be entered into the software for checking the submitted test for calculating marks on an automated basis as well. Teachers can double-check the results and email results to students on an individual basis. Collaborations and sharing in teaching by using relevant education research literature and use of educational materials for other sources. OBE learning management system of iCloud EMS provides more theory-based instructions focusing on flexibility, learner-defined goals. It supports collaborative learning inside and outside of the college in order to extend the learning environment to the home and further involve parents. It addresses personalized assessment, progress tracking, reporting, and responsiveness to learners' needs. It becomes systematic, integrating systems seamlessly to allow for improved collaboration across systems and among stakeholders.